Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. Today after work, it finally stopped raining and we've got a little window here of some dry weather. We're going to try to get on the sawmill and get this big log cut up today. It is 16 feet, 2 inches long, and that's kind of pushing the capacity of this sawmill. I think the sawmill can cut maybe 17 and a half feet. So we have got it up here on the sawmill. We're going to try to get something cut out of it today. We may try to get a 4x10. It's a little over 12 inches on the narrow end of this tree, so we will see what we can get out of it.
So if you haven't already, we'd love to have you become a subscriber. You never know what we're going to get into week to week. We never know what we're going to get into week to week. Sometimes it's sawing here on the sawmill. Sometimes it's cutting up firewood, clearing trails, logging. Sometimes it's just cleaning up a mess from what the weather has brought us, whether it's the wind or the rain. But we'd love to have you join us. So be sure to click the subscribe button so you can keep up with us here on Ouch Mountain. So we actually have this log on here with a big end on the saw head end and the smaller end on the opposite end. That is not ideal, but we're just going to kind of take a measurement, figure out where we need to be, and then back it up and we'll get started.
I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
this slab we cut off is a little bit thicker. It really tapers down to nothing on the other end, so we're going to put it back on here in a minute and take the top off of it and cut it into something. Don't know what, but we'll cut it into something. Above that.
I think we got about an inch and a half. Get it like a 2x,
Okay,
fresh 2x.
let's go with that. I think that'll be a pretty good piece of lumber.
What do you think you can get out of it?
I don't know, 2x something. I don't know what we'll need it for.
2x6, maybe a 2x8. What's a 2x6?
I think you can probably get an 8 out of that.
There's some nice lumber in it.
Yep,
Pretty good stuff.
better than store-bought.
It is. It's
Harder work than store-bought, but it's better.
Oh, we have fun sawing. I think you like sawing as much as I do.
You gotta teach me how to run this thing
This
sometime.
is pretty cool. It's pretty easy. You can do it.
Like driving the tractor?
It's easier than driving a tractor.
Okay, I can probably do it then.
Sure you can.
Good.
If we all at the bottom,
Okay.
we don't take any more off of that.
Do we have enough to get 2x out of it?
No,
How much is left above it? You got your tape.
I'll say that. 2.5 probably.
2.5. All right, we'll
About
have to
2.5.
do the math on that.
We could get 1.5 inches and then probably a 3/4 board.
Okay.
Once you count the saw curve.
Okay, you want to take the 1.5 off first so that we have a better solid 2x with that 1.5 cut and not so much weighing on it because there's quite a bit.
So you say we'll take the
3/4 board first.
3/4 board first. Okay.
Yeah, I know that won't get rid of all that weighing, but that's okay.
Okay.
We may not need full length 16 for stuff anyway.
about as nice a wood as we're going to ever cut.
It's pretty.
It's, off our property, looks pretty good.
Is that from the tree that we took down that was dead standing the other week? I believe it was.
Yes, I think it was. It's pretty nice, isn't it?
I think that'll work for that front beam. I believe my measurements say we need about 15, and you said this is what?
16.2.
16.2? Okay.
Over 16, so.
That should work.
So we were aiming to get a 4x10 out of this big log we had. It is 16 feet 2 inches long. We think we need at least a 15 footer, and this is going to be a 4x10. So let's see what we got. So that is right on 10. We're good that dimension. So that came in, gosh, just a hair under 4. I think
You gonna be in a bind there, or are you good?
yeah, it's gonna be difficult, but
You wanna just go ahead and lift your end over?
yeah,
You wanna flip it, or no?
no, I'm not sure what to do.
I think I had you park the tractor a little too close.
Okay, leave yours on there.
Leave it on.
Yeah,
Okay.
come help you down there.
You'll fall off down there.
Oh no. Scoot it. There you go. Good.
Got it?
That's got it.
Good.
So I think that's going to wrap it up for today. We got some work done today. We got this big 4x10 cut. We're really checking things off the lumber list for our woodshed, but it's really cool to be able to use the sawmill to cut some of our own trees and turn them into lumber that we can use for projects like this. It's really rewarding. It's crazy the feeling you get seeing some of our trees turn into some great lumber. And so we're enjoying it. We really liked our new sawmill.
So we got that lumber unloaded finally on the trailer. Thankful for a tractor that can help us with these heavy loads. But we're going to stack it up here on the 16-foot trailer. Just kind of makes it easy because it's 16-foot stuff. And let it dry. Hope it dries out a lot and get some of that moisture out of it so it's a little bit lighter weight when we need to work with it. But anyway, glad to have that on there. Get a little bit further along.
So if you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.